If I told you that the Bosch 18-inch 800 series dishwasher has a 4-4 dBA silence rating, would you have any clue what I was talking about? Probably not. Would you even care to know what a 44 dBA silence rating is? Probably not. And the reason you're not interested is my fault. As the copywriter, I just made one of the classic blunders in copywriting. I gave you a feature without giving you a benefit. A feature tells you what a product does, but a benefit tells you what that feature does for you. The most important thing to know about features is that most buyers don't care about features. Buyers care about benefits. I just proved that. I told you that the Bosch 18-inch 800 series dishwasher has a 44 dBA silence rating, and I could see your eyes starting to glaze over. The 44 dBA silence rating is a feature, and buyers don't buy features. Buyers buy benefits. So what is the benefit of a 44 dBA silence rating? Well, first of all, let me tell you what a 44 dBA silence rating even is. When I tell you that the Bosch dishwasher has a 44 dBA silence rating, I'm telling you that this dishwasher produces 44 decibels. That's what dBA stands for. It produces only 44 decibels of noise when it's running. In other words, I'm telling you that this dishwasher is as quiet as a ceiling fan. It's as quiet as a refrigerator. This dishwasher is so quiet that most owners can't even tell it's running. Now, silence is a benefit. A quiet home is a benefit. Consumers will buy a dishwasher that's as quiet as a ceiling fan, but they won't buy a dishwasher that has a 44 dBA silence rating if they don't even know what that means, or if they don't know that that feature has a benefit of being quiet. Let me show you the danger of describing your products and services using features only. This is a web page for an appliance retailer. This product page promotes the Bosch 800 series 18-inch dishwasher. Look at how the copywriter describes the key features of this product. 6 wash cycles and 5 options. Info light program status light. Energy star. Standard third rack. 44 dBA silence rating. There it is again. As you can see, these are features of the dishwasher. The problem is, these features may as well be written in Greek for all the good they do in helping you and me understand what the dishwasher does for us. After all, what is the info light? And what does it do for you? What is Energy Star? And what does it do for you? You have no idea because the copywriter does not explain what the features mean, and the copywriter does not explain what the features do for you. In other words, the copywriter makes the classic blunder of giving you features only. Now look at another web page from another retailer. This page is also promoting the Bosch 800 series 18-inch dishwasher. Notice that this copywriter gives you the same features but also gives you the benefits. For example, the first copywriter tells you that the Bosch 800 series dishwasher features a standard third rack. This copywriter tells you that this third rack offers 30% more loading area and is perfect for ramekins, cooking utensils, and extra long silverware. These are the benefits. I counted 4 in total from that one feature. The first copywriter tells you that this model of dishwasher has an info light. But this copywriter tells you what that feature is and what it does for you. The info light, quote, projects a red light onto the floor during the wash cycle and turns off when the dishes are ready, unquote. As you can see, this dishwasher has no dials or buttons or lights on the front of the unit. They are in the top of the door and they are hidden when the door is closed. The info light shines a red light onto the floor in the kitchen when the unit is operating, so you know it's running. That's because the unit is so quiet you can't tell by listening. This feature tells you when the unit is operating and when it is finished. That's 2 benefits. Let's look at one final feature. The first copywriter tells you that the Bosch 800 series dishwasher has 6 wash cycles and 5 options, but doesn't explain this feature It doesn't tell you the benefits. That's the first copywriter. But the second copywriter tells you that one of those 6 wash cycles is a 24-hour delay start timer that lets you delay the start time by up to 24 hours. So you can program the dishwasher to start during off-peak hours, such as when you're asleep. Saving money during off-peak hours is a benefit. As you can see, there are 2 ways to describe the same product. You can simply list the features and hope that your potential buyer knows what they are and knows what the benefits are. Don't be too sure. And the second way is you can list your features, explain those features, and then describe the benefits that the buyer gets from those features. Remember, buyers don't care about features. They only care about what features do for them. You'll be glad to know that there's a benefit to you of always tying a feature to a benefit. You'll sell more products. You'll make more money. That's the benefit.